So, dude, now we're gonna take a look at these far out shoes. Like, totally, dude.
Totally. What's up, C Squad?
It's Nigel C.
And Daddy C.
I'm Dad and Son.
Kick Talk.
Today, we're kick talking about
the Nike Air Max 1 Concepts Far Out. And we're talking far out with the far out special box and all kinds of things that came along with it that I haven't even looked at yet. I've been super excited about this shoe releasing, get it in hand, and to really unbox it for you guys. And before we get into it, Nigel, what should they do?
you need to ring that notification bell because that would be far out of you.
All right, so again, this was the drop of Air Max Day in my book. It released on 3/26, and I was able to get my hands on a pair by myself. I took an L because the site was, overloaded quickly. But somebody in my network got a pair,
Nice.
and we got the special box, the special situation here.
Too.
This is the Far Out Concepts box that came. I mean, first of all, Nike doesn't drop too many special boxes. And I don't get excited about boxes too much. What do I always say? What
You'll say, we're not wearing the box, we're wearing the shoe.
That's right. We don't wear boxes. Let's toss the box and go. This box do not toss.
Yes,
Remember
sir.
Last video, yeah, you were like,
That's because that's one of those boxes you don't wear. This is a box you'll wear, you know what I mean?
okay, if I'm gonna wear a box, it better be something special.
Yeah.
All right, so just looking at the outside of this box is crazy, and it really is far out. If you haven't seen our Mellow video, the Concepts Mellow Air Max, check that out. We'll put the link in here for you. That whole 3-pack drop was inspired by Woodstock. You remember all of that, right?
Yep.
The Woodstock concert up in upstate New York. Free love, free living, youth culture era of the late 60s, early 70s. Back then, people were piling the buses going to Woodstock and just in that whole era. So they gave us a box, literally, that looks like a bus.
This is
right?
sick, too.
You got the windows.
The license plate.
The Concepts Massachusetts on the back.
Yep.
Shout out to them because Concepts is based out of Massachusetts and New York. They have a shop there. And the box itself has got a lot of the psychedelic type of, just graphics on the box, on the top of it.
Especially
And on the bottom. Yeah, the bottom is like really far out, dude. But when you look at it, you got here on the side, what's it say on this one? Clear, fresh mind.
And this says,
Life and love, man.
Life and Love Concepts.
But then also the cool thing about this is that this is a concepts box. So this box isn't from Nike because this is actually a box within a box. It lifts up like this.
What?
Yeah, you got some
That's
psychedelic on the inside there.
Huh.
Pretty cool, right?
And then we have an entire whole other box inside of that box.
Yes. Close this box. And this is heavy duty. We're gonna put this aside gently.
These shoes are heavy duty. Like, this box is
Yeah.
heavyweight.
All right, so you got it is heavy, isn't it? It is, and it's called Far Out. The model that came out before was called the Heavy, and the review that we did was the Mellow. Interesting. But anyway, you got your Concepts standard Air Max box that they came out with this 3-pack.
Yeah.
All similar, the flower power, all the psychedelic print, all of that, right? Concepts. Got the symbols again. And again, these symbols we found out were on the tickets to Woodstock. It depended on which day you went. So one day was like slash ticket. The next day had a star on it, and the next day had the crescent moon.
Yeah.
So that's where that came from. We're gonna get into the inside of this box. You ready?
Yeah.
All right. So first off with this one, special edition, special release, they give you a pack of some stuff.
That's sick.
Which
What?
I honestly haven't even opened yet. So let's look at that. We're gonna get to the shoes in a minute. The pack, you get first this big Concepts bandana, right? Which is cool. And they give you a whole
that's
bunch
cool.
of stuff. So they give you some stickers. Check it out.
That is sick.
Concept stickers. You got all kinds of hippie action going
I'll
on
take
here.
these.
Hey,
Thank you.
Think you're gonna take my special stickers, dude?
Sorry, you got the whole shoes.
Look at this. You got an air freshener.
What?
Yeah, they put an air freshener to put in your vehicle.
And a poncho.
And
This is a
rain.
Woodstock reference for when it rained during Woodstock.
There you go. They got the concert poncho.
And
then, let's see.
Right here.
What you
This
got
is the
there?
cool part. On the back, Love or Confusion, 1969.
Wow.
And inside, we've got a literal vinyl record mini size.
They are. These are actually is coasters. I did check that out just doing research.
I thought they were like mini vinyls. That we
They
could
are.
actually
I mean,
play.
they are actual
Can
vinyl.
we play them?
No, I don't think there's any music on them.
No, not on that one. But on this one,
Yeah.
it's just another coaster.
It's another coaster. So they give you some cool coasters that look like albums, man.
That's
which
cool.
is pretty slick.
Yeah.
I think that's like a crazy cool touch, right?
This is,
So we'll put that all back neatly afterwards.
So, dude, now we're gonna take a look at these far out shoes. Like, totally, dude.
Totally.
Let's take a look at these shoes, man.
My hippie guy. All right. So inside we got the concept paper, pop, flower power, just like the last release.
Flower power, dude.
They really just pay attention to all the details. You gotta love it. And then this is the shoe. Is it far out? Take the other way. I love this shoe. The far out. So this is the shoe. When I first saw the 3-pack that was coming out, I was like, man, this one is so fire. I really love the purple around the mud guard.
Yeah.
But they're all different. They're also different, but they all are very similar. This one is different in the fact that, you know, the denim is not that acid wash denim, but I think the colors on it really are just pretty dope.
Yeah, I think this one is more like solid because the last one, like for each part of the shoe had different patterns within them, but it feels like with this one, each part of the shoe has its own pattern.
Yeah.
Its own like texture, material, and all that. Like
For sure.
Like you only like on the check, you only see a flag on this side, and then on this side the check has flowers on it, which is sick, by the way. And then like on the back. On the heel here, you've got this entire piece, but it's just one cutout of a bandana. So I kind of like how solid it is in its pieces.
Okay. Got it. Got it. So just looking at the shoe itself, we'll go top to bottom. We've got, again, the velvet around the tongue and this like fuchsia, I don't know what color. I guess it's kind of like a bright fuchsia pink color, which is cool.
Definitely fuchsia pink.
You got the signature, their little trademark guitar pick, the Nike and Concept guitar pick on the side. You got that.
How you always get the guitar pick shoe?
I don't know. Just take the top one, the shoe that's in the front. I don't know. Or the vamp here. You got the denim.
The vamp?
Vamp, yeah. The vamp of the shoe. We got the denim. And this one is different to me.
Cardi reference.
Oh, not again. Cardi. Playboy Cardi. No. So the denim on here is different to me because it's not that acid wash. It's like the solid denim, which I feel like the acid wash just adds a different flair to the shoe, where this one is a little more subdued. But then you got to break out of some bolder colors, right? You got the purple and the bandana around the mud guard and the edge of the shoe. Plus you got this lime green, bright green bandana printed as well with the Nike Air, with of course the unfinished stitching, which is also cool too. They have swooshes on the bandana now on this one.
That is cool, yes.
You didn't have swooshes on the last one before. And then of course we've got your bovine.
Bovine.
What color is your bovine print?
It's the bovine, the cow print.
Yeah, man, the cow.
Yeah, I'm not a big fan of that, I can't lie. I think it's cool that adds a touch to it, but I just don't like my shoes feeling like I'm wearing a cow.
Every leather shoe is a cow. We've had that conversation.
But this is an actual, like recognizably, you can see this and say, oh, that's a cow. Leather shoes, you're not going to be like, your shoes are made of cow. You know what I mean? This is real cow.
It stands out more because of the colored fur.
Like I said, when you're eating chicken and you get a feather in your chicken, and you're like, hold on, I'm actually eating chicken right now? Oh! You know what I mean?
I'm eating an actual chicken.
Right.
Yes, that's funny. All right, so we've also got the corduroy and this tan around the edge by your lace situation with a little aqua color there. And the concepts, of course, the concepts piece is done, placed perfectly and nice and neat. Obviously, that's their branding. They want to make sure that they are signifying, hey, this is a concept shoe. Don't make no mistake about it. Flower power on the inner swoosh. Shoe gets slippery too, I guess because it was in the mud. I don't know. But the midsole got the mud splatter. Usually it's weird because usually on any type of Air Max and Nikes in general, the air sole, the air unit is always clear. That window is clear to peer through. But this one, they put the mud splatter on that air sole unit. So that's a different take for them as well. Nike really gave concepts like free reign to like, hey, do this shoe in your signature style.
Yeah.
They've done a lot of collabs in the past. You know, they have a track record, and Nike's like, do your thing.
They made it good with it too. I love these.
Yeah? So now we got the concepts all dropped, all three. Which one is your favorite? How would you rank them? My favorite, I think, is still the Mellow, and I think this one next. The Heavy is probably my third out of the pack.
I agree with that.
You agree with that?
Yep, Mellow, far out heavy.
Yeah. Boom. What's yours? Let us know in the comments, though, for sure. And, you know, did you get your hands on 1, 2, or 3 out of the pack? All right, so Nigel, first time seeing these in person, what's your thought? How would you rate them?
I like that smell. I'm about to go with a 9 for creativity.
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10, dude.
I like it. And you're not the biggest Air Max fan.
I'm not, but I love this Air Max 1 here.
Yeah.
Yes, I do.
Awesome. I would probably go, I think I would go 9 out of 10 as well. I mean, I don't know what a 10 out of 10 looks like. I really think the Mellow might be a 10 out of 10
Perhaps,
for me.
that's what I was going to say.
So I think this is a 9.
Maybe.
Yeah?
Yeah.
But let's not, I'm almost missed one piece too. Was the beautiful insole.
Why'd you just take it out like that?
I don't know. The insoles, man, they're so artistic. I really love them.
Wow.
Let's take a look here.
Okay.
So artistic on the insoles. They're not normal. You know, you've got concepts on the bottom there.
You know what I wish though?
What's that?
I wish that you could take them and like put them together like this, and they become some kind of like puzzle. Like where if you fit them together right, they would match. You know what I mean? That'd be sick.
It would be cool. I mean, they've done all of this work. They might as well make it some type of pattern that works together.
Yeah.
But then it's on the inside of your shoe. Nobody's ever going to see it, but you would see it.
Exactly.
So there you go. That's a tip maybe for Nike. Hit us up. Send me that royalty if you end up doing it. All right. I think that's it, man. We covered this shoe. We're going to get it on foot, and we will see y'all on the next one. Peace.